Hello, Morris class. It's Miss Baig here, and welcome to your first geography lesson for this term. Okay, our learning objective for our geography lesson today is: can I find a way to remember and order the continents? Question mark. Can I find a way to order and remember the continents? Now, I know that you are going to do very well in this lesson because we know the continents so well. So let's strap in and start this lesson. Okay, in the description box below, there is a link which leads you to this video, which is titled ISS Time-Lapse, Oceans and Continents. Okay, this video is also in the playlist for those people who are watching this video on a smart TV. So pause the video here, go and watch this video, and then come back to Miss Baig's video, and we will continue with our geography lesson. See you in a few ticks. Okie dokie, welcome back, Morris class. Let's begin. Okay, from the ISS, which is 200 and something miles away, I can't see what that says, 250 miles away. Hang on, I still can't see the top. Right, let's start again because I couldn't see any of the writing at the top. So from the ISS, which is 250 miles straight up from Earth, we still can't see the whole continents, showing just how big the continents and oceans really are. You have to go all the way to the moon in order to see the whole continents. Okay, today we are looking at the Earth's continents and oceans. So let's remind ourselves of these. I'm sure everybody is extremely excited to be watching the 7 continent song. So this video is also in the description below and in the playlist. Or you could just type in 7 continent song hopscotch. I'm sure you don't even need to click on the video. You know it off by heart. So sing it to me. Asia, Africa, America, Europe, Australia. Well done, well done. I knew you were going to be able to sing it without any hesitation. Okay, here is a reminder of the continents. We have starting with the biggest continent, which is Asia. Okay, so our biggest continent is Asia. Second in line, okay, we're looking from biggest to smallest. So the second largest continent is Africa. Can you guess what the third biggest continent is? Let's have a look. Did you guess it correctly? Well done, it's North America. Okay, what about the next one? Fantastic, it's South America. Well done. Next, we have Antarctica. We have Europe, and then finally, the smallest continent that we have is Australia. Okie dokie. Here is what the oceans look like when you separate them. So we have the Arctic Ocean at the top here, which stretches all the way across from North America all the way to Asia. At the bottom, we have the Southern Ocean. Now, we have the Pacific Ocean on the left-hand side. We also have it on the right-hand side. Now, the reason why we have it both on the left and the right is because the Earth is a sphere. It's a ball, okay? So when we are looking at it flat, this is what it looks like. But because the Earth is round, it's like a curved ball, it's all the way around. So it shows it on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Okay, then we have Atlantic Ocean, which is in between these 4 continents here. And then we have the Indian Ocean between Africa, Asia, Australia, and that is divided by the Southern Ocean. Okay. Now, in today's lesson, we will be creating a mnemonic for the continents. Now, we are going to order the continents from biggest to smallest. So the biggest continent was Asia. Fantastic. If you need to go over the biggest to smallest, just skip the video back a few minutes and watch it again. Okay, so if you remember, for our planets, my very educated mother just served us nacho, or just served us, yeah, it was nachos, yes, just served us nachos. We are going to do the exact same thing. We're going to create another mnemonic, but that had eight strips of it because we have 8 planets in our solar system. Now, for the continents, we only have 7. So the one at the last strip at the bottom, we don't need. So in that part, you can draw an alligator. Now, here is one mnemonic that you could use, and it is again in dun, 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 size order. So we have the first biggest continent, which is Asia, the second, which is Africa, then we have North America, then we have South America, then we have Antarctica, then we have Europe, and then we have Australia. So we have 7 from biggest to smallest. Now, here is a mnemonic that Mr. Watkins has created. All alligators never swim alone except after dark. So all alligators never swim alone except after dark. That's Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Okay, so on the side, continents from biggest to smallest. Okay, here is another one that you could do, okay? Or you could even think of your own, but here is another one. All animals never spend an evening alone. All animals never spend an evening alone. So that's Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. There you go. So continents from biggest to smallest. Okay, so we look forward to seeing all of your mnemonics that you have created on Tapestry. Please remember, Morris class, that the order of the continents is in size order from the biggest to the smallest. Okay, and also you can either use this mnemonic, all alligators never swim alone except after dark, or this one, all animals never spend an evening alone. Or if you're feeling extra creative, you can create your own. Now, with our continents, we have 4 that begin with an A. So one challenge for you that I'm going to set, Morris class, is can you think of a word that distinguishes which continent you are talking about when you hang on, let me rephrase that. Let's go back a minute. So there are 4 continents that begin with the letter A. Your task is your absolute, this is like your extension. Can you think of a word that relates to Asia? So for example, the word might start with AS. So it might be, I don't know, anything. When it comes to you, then I'm sure it will be fantastic. So have a good think. And then create your mnemonic, upload onto Tapestry. I cannot wait to see it. And I will be seeing you in the next geography lesson. Take care, Morris class. Bye-bye.